In order to understand InLingos, both user and translator side will be shown here. First, we upload an InDesign file saved as IDML. Once the file is uploaded, you will need to select the source language of the document, in this case English. In the following pop-up window, select one or more target languages. Please note that different packages has different number of languages available. You can select from the list of translator above, or invite a new translator by sending an email invite. Context match allows you to cross the document against past translation. If any of the segments were translated in the past, automatic translation will be applied. Next, you see the document page that includes all languages we selected. You can see the language, the translator name, you can import or export the memory, or you can confirm or delete the file. Once translation is done, the download icon will become green and you will be able to download an InDesign file fully translated and fully designed. You can add a language by pressing the Add Language button. When you open the file by pressing the language, you will see the web editor. The web editor consists of page preview, text extracted, and an empty box for the translation. For this demo, I will use the machine translation option. As a translator, you need to write the translation in the yellow box. Next to the box, you can see three icons. The first one means you can set the status of the text box as draft, or if you don't touch it, it will automatically skip to the next one. The second icon is Make a Duplicate. It will copy the original text into the translation box. The third icon, MT, means Machine Translation. It will automatically generate the best available machine translation for the original text. If there are extra occurrences of the same segment, a pop-up will alert you. Under each translation box, you can see the character count of the original language versus the translation. If you want to keep your overset text fixing low, make sure that the translation is not much longer than the source. You can view a larger preview by clicking the image. Under each translation, you can see the past translations with percentage of match. The pink numbers represent tags and markers, meaning a style change within the text, within the same paragraph. Make sure you enter the markers by pressing the tab inside the translation. Sometimes you might see error in the past translations, marked red and green. On the top left, you can see how many segments are translated and how many left. Next to it, you will see the percentage of work done. Once the translation is finished, you can download the InDesign file by pressing the green cloud icon. It is good practice to save the translation memory next to the file by exporting it from the system. You can save it as an Excel file, open document format, or translator XLIF file. Choose the setting you desire. If it's a finished job, leave all the marks unmarked. If it's a round of translation and the translator needs to translate more segments, and you would like to do it with Excel, please select the Exclude Translated Segments option. It will automatically generate only the segments untranslated. In the Excel file, you will see three columns: segment number, source language, and destination language. Sorting the list alphabetically will help you find translation errors, typos, or spelling mistakes. You will see the same translation from different parts of the document, one after another. If you missed a capital letter or added an extra space, you will see it in the Excel. When you generate a translated document, the number of pages used are deducted from your package. When you open the translated InDesign file, you are advised to use the pre-flight tool in order to list all overset texts. It will show you all the overset errors and help you fix them one by one in no time. Once the document has no error, save it under a different name and export a PDF for final approval. Now, when the translation is saved, no matter the design, size, or looks, the translation can be applied immediately. This translation process saves up to 80% of the time needed with the old way of copying and pasting text from a Word document or some other document. Thank you for listening. A quick tour is provided when you first enter InLingos, and it will show you all the things you need to know about working as a translator or as a document owner. Good luck!